Welcome to this trade example. In this example, we'll discuss the Euro-Japanese yen. This trade took place on the 5th of July 2013 at 1000 hours GMT. Before we begin, let's consider for a moment the market environment. Due to the fact that we're considering a trade on the Euro yen, we have perhaps a keen interest in seeing what the yen is doing in other crosses. So if we consider, for example, the US dollar Japanese yen on the 5th of July, we can see here about 10 o'clock GMT, we can see that the price had been moving higher, so we're in a nice uptrend here, and we have this level here that has been respected historically, as you can see here, and price finally managed to break above it and hold. It came back, touched this level, and then continued higher, forming a new swing high, so again confirming a nice uptrend. So price moved higher, and it came back to precisely this level here that we can see being respected historically. So price came down here, we see a nice rejection candle, and moving back to the Euro Japanese yen, price broke through this level here and was rejected, and now we're kind of sitting on this level of support. So with respect to the market environment, everything seems to be supporting our long bias. If you consider the market framework, we have marked this level of support here, which is respected historically. And if we consider some technical studies at precisely the same level, if we draw the Fibonacci's from this swing low to this swing high here, we see the 38% retracement comes back to pretty much the same area here. So we can see here that the price bounced at the same level here twice and continue to do so in the future. So this seems to be quite a nice level. On top of that, we go to the half an hour chart. We can see that we have the daily S1 pivot as well. So we have multiple reasons to believe that this level might hold here. We consider the trend for a moment. Going to the daily chart, we can see that we're in an uptrend here. At the time of the trade, price came back here to this retracement. Let's have a quick look what this is. It came back to the 61% here, and then began to move further higher. So when it got up here, we could expect some kind of a pullback to these levels here that were historically respected before price continued on. So historical support and resistance, as well as technical study levels, all are lining up at this particular level. We consider that the momentum analysis, prices moved down and moved down very, very strongly to this level here, and this move down here, the very strong move down and then back up again, shows that this level is very sensitive. So we had another move down, almost came down, bounced, came down, bounced once again, and kind of consolidated here for a period of time before continuing up. So this is seems to be a very price sensitive level. We consider, with regards to a momentum analysis, we've had this move down, and we've had some pretty strong moves down to this level, but they've all been rejected very nicely, and then another strong move down where price consolidated around this level here. So if we look ahead, after this rejection candle, now we had 1, 2, 3 rejection candles after this spike down, and they all held above this level. So what I would be doing is, after these pin bars, I would most certainly be looking for a trigger to buy this currency pair here. So if we consider stop placement, we've established this swing low here, so this would be an ideal place to put a stop. Let's say entry is just here. We can see that we have roughly a 15 pip risk. And with respect to our target, if we got filled roughly here, we'd be looking to perhaps take some of the position out just before these swing lows here. So if we go from here to here, we have about a 32 pip target for the first one, minus a few pips just to make sure that we get on the good side of it. So we have about 28 pips here. If price would have managed to get up here, then we would most certainly have moved our stop up to break even, or perhaps slightly on the green side of break even. was price continue moving up to our second target, which was located just below the daily central pivot. That's it for this trade example. This was the Euro Japanese Yen on the 5th of July 2013. Thanks for watching.